Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. When Google and Samsung announced they had teamed up on the latest version of Wear OS, many hoped it would finally bring a smartwatch for Android users that would rival the Apple Watch. With the relatively robust third-party app library from Google and Samsung's intuitive interface, the platform was promising. The Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic are the first devices running the new Wear OS powered by Samsung. But software isn't their only intriguing new feature. Samsung also upgraded the biometric sensors to offer, among other things, a body composition scanner and improved sleep tracking. Throw in new 5nm processors and sharper screens, and the Watch 4 series looks like a meaty update. Has the Apple Watch finally met its match? Probably not. It's worth noting that other than the Classic having a physical spinning bezel and a stainless steel case, there aren't major differences between the two Watch 4 models. They have the same upgraded sensors, battery, and screen sizes. Wear OS honestly, if I didn't know the Watch 4 was using a whole new OS, I might have just assumed this was a minor Tizen update. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. You'll still swipe sideways or spin the physical bezel on the Classic to scroll through all your widgets and use the touch-sensitive ring around the regular Watch 4S screen. But instead of all apps being one of the pages on the right, they're now below the home screen. There's also a customizable quick settings panel above the main page. One UI also allows for settings on your watch and phone to sync, so that when you enable Do Not Disturb on one, the other activates it too. When you play a song on your phone, a media controller is supposed to appear on the wearable. The Watch 4 line also got a serious hardware upgrade. Samsung used a new 3-in-1 biometric sensor that not only should allow for faster and more consistent readings, it also enables bioelectrical impedance analysis to offer body mass scans. The watch will first ask for basic information like your gender, age, and weight. Then, it tells you to place your middle and ring fingers on the two buttons on the edge. It'll also instruct you to stay still and lift your arms away from your body while it scans, which takes about 15 seconds. Something else that requires more time for me to get a sense of its usefulness is continuous blood oxygen detection. That's one of the new sleep tracking features the upgraded sensors enable, and that data feeds into Samsung's sleep score algorithm, which considers other things like duration and restfulness. Another area where the Watch 4 series got a small upgrade that's not very obvious is its screen. The larger versions of the devices now have sharper 1.4-inch screens running at 450 by 450, while the smaller models have 1.2-inch panels. They otherwise aren't much different in size from their predecessors. Something I've always loved about Galaxy watches is how accurately and quickly they register when I've been walking briskly. This year, Samsung updated the software to auto-detect a workout after 10 minutes instead of 15. The watches are also capable of tracking 95 different workout types, which is nice if you like to get specific with what you're doing at the gym. Short battery life is my biggest issue with the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, which is otherwise capable, useful smartwatches. Though some of the newer features like body composition measurement and snore detection might not seem immediately useful, they could provide helpful insight over time. The new Wear OS powered by Samsung isn't a huge departure from Tizen, which means we're still getting a powerful, intuitive interface with comprehensive health tracking features. That is it for now guys. Note that the pre-order is on now. Please support this channel, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.